Hi guys, this is Sam from Android App Reviews. I wanted to make a quick video showing you guys how to optimize your Samsung Galaxy S9 or the S9 Plus. So I'm going to go ahead and you basically go to settings, and under settings there's an option that says device maintenance. You tap on that, and here basically this is like a it gives you a couple of options, and you can simply, right now my health is at 99%, and if it can be 100%. So you basically, every once in a while, maybe once a day, if you use your phone a lot or whatnot, you can just tap on open up this device maintenance and tap on optimize now, and it just kind of frees up storage space, closes some background applications, frees up some memory, and makes your phone performing at optimum levels. That's basically it. And if you want this icon to be on your home screen, you can tap on the top right hand corner right here on these three dots, and you can click on right now it says hide icon because I already have it on my app screen, but it'll show as show icon if you haven't done it before. It's going to say show icon on app screen. You tap on that and it's going to show up on your app screen, and then you can just simply make a shortcut of it on your on your home screen, or and you can just tap on it from there on, and you'll come right to this page. And that's and one more thing I wanted to show you is that this auto restart option, just like a computer, you have to restart your phone every once in a while just to have it running smoothly and optimally. You have to restart it. So this is an auto restart feature where you can actually select time and day for the restart to happen. And I've selected as at 4 a.m. on a Sunday because I know that I'll be asleep at that time. I won't be using my phone. So it's going to automatically restart at that particular time. You don't have to do anything. And these are just some of the scenarios when it won't restart. Until the screen is off, until the phone is, if the phone is being used, it's not going to restart. If the battery is is below 30%, it's not going to restart. And if the SIM card is locked, then yeah, it won't restart. And you have to make sure that your internal storage is not encrypted either. And these options, if you haven't really played around with the SIM card or the internal storage encryption, then you don't really have to worry about this anyway. These features will not apply to you. But yeah, so you basically just go ahead and turn it on, and it'll restart at that time and date, and that's it. That basically covers it, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.